Hello, very good morning. So myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I'm going to create another great candlesticks pattern that will works for intraday and positional trading strategies. Don't skip the video and watch it fully to understand what is the exact strategy we are going to discuss in this video. And last video we made about piercing line candlesticks pattern. So here I am going to update the dark cloud cover pattern. So it is what opposite to that. So in piercing line we are expecting bullish reversal. The dark cloud we are expecting the bearish reversal. So when it is happen at the highest level of the market, so there is a possibilities of reversal in the market should be very high. So that we are going to code it on our charting platform to find out or filter out the stocks where it is forms such a kind of patterns, right? And hope this may be useful video to you all, and keep subscribing, and if you like, hit the like button and share to your friends if you like this video, right? So now this is what Axis Bank daily chart. So where I am taking for any kind of candlesticks reversal pattern. So let's see, here it is marked. Can you able to see that? This is the candlesticks pattern where it is exactly the dark cloud cover. And here also it's looking a dark cloud cover pattern, and market it started moving down from that particular high. When the dark cloud cover it is happening at the highest level, so the expected reversal should be very high. That is the dark cloud cover we are using for a bearish reversal. And previously you see that, so it must be happen in the lowest level of the day. That piercing line looks like a piercing line, right? And this is the dark cloud cover, right? These two are same kind of pattern, but one was a bullish reversal and another was a bearish reversal. But here we are expecting 799 as the high, and it is open greater than equal to, if you mention that, we will find out this was 16th February, and here it is open above previous day high, and it started falling when the market broke below the 745. You see that the market comes to 625. There is a big down after this candlestick form. After we are checking that there is no candlestick forms, so here this indicator we have added in a trading view that will filter out. But if you are doing all the stuff to analyze, it is quite difficult. So that is why we are going to make the scanner in charting that will give you such a great result. Okay, so I'm going to create with the futures, and first thing, the latest open must be the latest close of the day, not latest, 1 day ago close is greater than open price of 1 day ago. So this plot a green color candle, right? So the candle should be in green the first day, and the second day that we are going to take, the second day candle should be open below the the second day open, right? And that is what the latest open is greater than or equal to high of 1 day ago. So that will tell us the technical gap of opening, right? So this will plot the stock which is opened by above previous day. And now the close of the latest candle must be below the 50% of the less than or equal to 50% of the body. So that the same what we are discussing on our previous video, like piercing line. This is what a direct opposite formation, so that I'm going to take it out. So the close here open price of 1 day ago, and we added by the close price of 1 day ago, right? So we are going to divide by number 2, because the body, the candle, the second day candle should be closed below the body of that first candle, right? And now this is what going to plot a bearish, that is what bearish reversal pattern, right? Let's check, let's add this dark cloud cover. Daily. Yeah, added now. Oh, ho, ho. Made a mistake. Gone out. Let's go for our dashboard. Not there. Okay, I made a mistake again. So I not saved. That one is not saved. Let's do it again. We open price. Close price greater than open. So that is what a green candle we are expecting. The 1 day ago green candle that we are expecting. The second day we are expecting the open price. The latest open is greater than equal to latest high price of 1 day ago. Okay, and now to the latest close must be less than or equal to the 50% of the body. So that simply comes around open price plus close price of 1 day ago. Try to do 1 day ago, and we are going to divide by the number 2. So because that should be close below the 50% of the body, so that will plot you. We will save the scan. Here dark cloud cover candlesticks. So to get the back test, and we have one stock. So AP, the Albumic Pharmacutia, the APLL. Let's check it out. APLL. And where it is, yes. Can you see that? That is exactly forming a dark cloud cover pattern. But the trend of the stock is keep on going down. But where we are going to filter out, there is a pattern. It is open above previous year and it is started moving below the 50% of the body. So if the candle closes, so there is a dark cloud pattern right now. Okay, so that exactly it is giving you such a right thing. And this candlesticks pattern should be formed at the high of the month or high of the thing. So that we are going to filter out with that latest high. So because the second candle should be open above the previous high, right? So the latest high is equal to high of monthly. When you filter out this with that candle, so we will filter out the exact dark cloud pattern. So we got a lot of things open equal to high. So let's try to do that. We will save. We already saved it. I can save it. So let's see, today we have seen, so yesterday we got some stock 24th August, not yesterday. ICICI General Insurance. Let's check ICICI General Insurance. ICICI General Insurance. I hope this one. Correct? Yeah. And this should be the monthly high. So where there is a reversal possible when the market is break down below that this low for 1451. So now it is filter okay. And previously this one is forming kind of candlestick HDFC. Let's check it out. HDFC, which forms kind of candlesticks pattern. The day where 18th August. This one 18th August. These highs around 50. This is what's equal and greater than. So where HDFC is broken below the level of 698, we are going to be short. It is already broken and it was very flat, but the stop loss is not triggered yet. Okay, this is what a great candlesticks pattern which forms at the highest level. There is a dark cloud pattern which is grade 1. All right, so even if you are mentioning that it should be open above high, so only greater than, if you mention out, we will filter out lot more stocks. So we will find out very limited stocks. So Deepak Nitride and Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy Labs, which forms the dark cloud cover at the date of 10/8. I think this one. So can you able to see that 10.8, this is the highest of this August month contract. From there it is falling down. And Deepak Nitrate in where it is 10.8, that is a forms here, and there is a down, and we already mentioned that down. So here from that 2100 it coming down to 2040. But the risk is big. So to avoid this kind of risk, we have some strategies to how to avoid big risk, and we will trade with a smaller risk and fixed risk one. That should give you such a great opportunity where we are going to focus if you're this kind of candlesticks. Okay, I hope this may be a useful video to you all. So now the dark cloud is okay. So we will high, we will save us. And again, so we will go for a 15 minutes. So the minus 1 15 minutes. Again 15 minutes candle of minus 1. 15 minutes. Here 15 minutes minus 1. Go for that, and 15 minutes. It's of minus 1. The two latest 15 minutes equal to latest high. Latest only. So now this should be scan for you the stock which forms intraday. I think 26th August today at 9:15. Don't go for a 9:15. At 9:30 we have only one stock, Pfizer. Let's check what it is exactly forms at 9:15 on 15 minutes. Can you able to see that this one is happening by yesterday, and this one is exactly today where it is exactly forms, and it breaks the door, and 10 rupees it moves down. And here so we have to small changes, so greater than the close. So intraday we will be getting such a some more stocks which won because intraday gap up after the candle, so it's less possible. And now you see that we got a lot of stock. Britannia, so don't go for that. Any other stocks? 26 August by 9:45. Sun TV. Of this one, this candlestick spread at 9:45. So there is a reversal where from 484 to 417. So now I hope this may be useful video to you all. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, just subscribe. And we have seen two candlesticks pattern on our last two videos. So one is pacing line and another one is dark cloud cover now. Okay, I hope this may be useful video, and if you are not subscribed, just subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.